Okay, so welcome guys, welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson we are going to learn how to join slab. So now we have a shell slab. Now to use the shell slab, you select this and select this, then you come down here. So in case if you don't see it at this point, then you have to come to edit and look for edit shell. So once you select edit shell, you can see whichever option you want. So you can divide shell, you can merge shell. So in our case, we are going to be merging this shell. So you select it and you merge. So you click OK. Now you can see it's one full shell. So let's say for example, I want to merge or I want to divide a shell. So let me draw a simple one at this corner. Okay, so I draw one around this corner. Make sure I snap on this node, draw one at this corner. So I'll select this and select where I want to divide it by. So I want to divide it here, so I'll select this and come here. So divide shell and choose whatever you want. Cut cookies as frame objects. So I'll select this and click OK. So you can see 1 and 2. So we've done that already. So that's one simple way of modeling on ETABS. So we shall continue modeling this